Have you ever wondered if it's possible to earn an extra $500 every week without spending hours working manually? What if I told you that with just a few AI tools, some simple automation, and the right strategy, you could start generating income from home starting today? In this video, we are going to talk about earn $500 per week with simple AI automation. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. 1. Choosing a profitable niche. The first step to earning $500 per week with AI automation is choosing a profitable niche. Your niche is a topic or area that your content will focus on, and picking the right one is critical because it determines how easy you can attract an audience and monetize your content. A profitable niche is one that has high demand, a large audience, and opportunities to make money through ads, affiliate marketing, or digital products. Start by thinking about areas you are interested in or have knowledge about, because creating content is much easier when you enjoy the topic. Popular niches that consistently perform well include personal finance, health and fitness, technology, online business, productivity, and lifestyle. These niches attract a large number of viewers and have many monetization opportunities. Next, validate your niche by researching trends and search volume. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube Search, or vidIQ to see what people are actively searching for. Look for topics with high search volume but low competition, because these give you a better chance to rank your content quickly. Finally, consider monetization potential. Ask yourself, can I promote products, courses, or services in this niche? Can I run ads or create digital products for this audience? Choosing a niche with clear ways to earn money is essential for long-term success. Remember, the right niche combines audience demand, personal interest, and revenue potential. Spend time on this step. It sets a foundation for your entire AI automation business. 2. Script writing. One of the easiest ways to create content quickly is by using ChatGPT to write your scripts. ChatGPT is an AI tool that can generate high-quality scripts for videos, blogs, or social media posts in minutes, making it perfect for earning $500 a week with AI automation. To start, define your topic as specifically as possible. For example, instead of saying write a script about money, ask, write a 5-minute video script on how to earn $500 a week using AI automation. The more precise your prompt, the better the results. Next, set the script style, whether conversational, energetic, professional, or tutorial style, so the content matches your audience and channel tone. Then, structure your script into clear sections, including a hook to grab attention in the first 5 to 10 seconds, step-by-step instructions that deliver value, and a call to action encouraging viewers like subscribe or visit a link. After ChatGPT generates the script, personalize it by adding examples, personal stories, or unique tips, because even small tweaks make your content feel authentic and trustworthy. Additionally, you can use ChatGPT to generate multiple scripts at once by providing a list of topics, allowing you to produce content consistently and scale your AI automation business. By following this approach, script writing becomes fast, efficient, and repeatable, giving you more time to focus on video creation, SEO optimization, and monetization. Free AI voiceover. Creating professional, engaging voiceovers have become incredibly easy thanks to AI technology. Tools like MUIF.ai, 11 Labs, Play.ht, and WellSaid Labs allow you to turn any script into high-quality audio within minutes, completely eliminating the need for expensive recording equipment or professional voice actors. The process starts by copying your finalized script into the AI platform and selecting a voice that matches the tone and style of your content, whether that's energetic, friendly, authoritative, or conversational. Most platforms also let you adjust the speed, pitch, intonation, and emphasis, allowing you to make the voiceover sound more natural and human-like. Some even allow you to add pauses or emotional expressions, making the narration more engaging and easy to follow. Once your voiceover is ready, you can download it in standard formats like MP3 or WAV and integrate it directly with your video using editing tools such as Pictory.ai, CapCut, Canva, or Adobe Premiere Pro. AI voiceovers not only save time and money, but also make your content production scalable, allowing you to create multiple videos per week without the bottleneck of recording manually. By combining a well-structured AI-generated script with a polished AI voiceover, you can produce content that holds viewer attention, increases watch time, and improves overall engagement. This, in turn, helps you grow your audience faster and monetize your videos effectively, making it much easier to reach consistent earnings of $500 per week or more with minimal effort. 4. AI video. Creating AI-powered videos has become one of the fastest and most efficient ways to produce high-quality content without expensive cameras, lighting, or a team of editors. With tools like Pictory.ai, Sensei.io in video, or Runway, you can turn your scripts directly into engaging videos in just minutes. The process starts by uploading your finalized script, whether it's generated by ChatGPT or written manually. Next, select an AI presenter or avatar if you want a human-like on-screen presence, or use stock footage and images if you prefer a visual storytelling style. Many platforms also let you customize backgrounds, text overlays, transitions, and animations, which makes a video visually appealing and professional. Once the visuals are ready, you can sync your AI-generated voiceover to match the timing of each scene, ensuring the narration flows naturally with the on-screen content. Additionally, AI video tools often include automatic captioning, scene splitting, and background music, further enhancing viewer engagement. After finalizing your video, export it in high resolution and prepare it for uploading to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. AI video creation not only saves hours of editing work, but also allows you to scale your content production quickly. By combining AI scripts, voiceovers, and automated video editing, you can produce multiple high-quality videos per week, maintain consistency, and attract more viewers, all of which contribute to building a sustainable income of $500 per week or more with minimal manual effort. 5. Optimize for SEO and upload. Once your AI video is complete, the next critical step is optimizing for SEO and uploading it to maximize visibility and revenue. SEO, or search engine optimization, ensures your video can be discovered by the right audience, increasing views, watch time, and ultimately your earnings. Start with a keyword-rich title that clearly describes a topic and includes terms people are actively searching for. Use tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, or Google Trends to identify high-volume, low-competition keywords relevant to your niche. In the video description, write a detailed summary of the content, naturally incorporating your target keywords, and include links to relevant products, affiliate offers, or other videos. Tags are also important. Add a mix of broad and specific keywords to help YouTube understand the context of your video. Next, create an eye-catching thumbnail using tools like Canva, featuring bold text and bright visuals, because thumbnails greatly influence click-through rates. You should also divide longer videos into chapters, which improves user experience and watch time. During uploading, enable subtitles or caption for accessibility and high retention. Finally, promote your video across social media, forums, or niche communities to drive external traffic. Consistently applying these SEO practices ensures that your AI videos reach more viewers, generate engagement, and grow your channel faster. By combining high-quality AI video production with optimized SEO, you can steadily increase your audience and achieve your goal of earning $500 per week or more.